So we switch up our wardrobes come fall, so it only makes sense to boost our beauty routines as well. In today's Style File, we're showing off 10 of the latest and greatest products to watch for in the beauty aisle. Studio 5 style and beauty contributor Megan Moore is falling all over these fun finds. Thanks for the courtesy
That
laugh.
was a good pun.
So much. Guess what? I'm excited because there is something about fall that feels like, I heard it referred to as Mom's New Year.
Yeah.
It feels like a turnover, a
Yes.
fresh start, and this
Totally.
is just a fun way to jump on that.
Yes, fall is when brands really come out with like their big stuff because they're prepping for a fourth quarter and Christmas sales. So this is when they like really start to wow. So I love fall because kids go back to school, but also because of really cool stuff in the beauty aisle.
We were just talking about that. I'm gonna be pulling the tissues and Megan's gonna be blowing the kisses.
Yes, I'm excited.
It all works. All right, so the products are coming out. Would you call these trends or are these like all new inventions?
I wouldn't call them trends. I mean, I'm sure that we're gonna see some things across the board that will start to carry over, but mostly they're just like fall finds. I just feel like they're things that we just haven't seen and I'm really excited about them.
All right, teach us, show us.
Okay, so this first one over here looks like it should be a blush or an eyeshadow, but it is actually a lip product.
No, it's not.
Yes, this is the Urban Decay and it's their new product called the Lip Mousse.
What?
Yes, so they're really beautiful. It's a matte lip mousse. It goes on very lightweight, so you can't even fill it. So that's what I love about it, is that it's beautiful matte pigment, but you can decide if you want just a little, like a little stain of it, or layer it on to go full bright.
Those are gorgeous shades.
Gorgeous, and they feel like nothing is on your lips. That's why I love them. And they have this really cool little applicator in the front. If you want to use that, that little thing pops out.
Oh my
or I
gosh.
just use my finger. But it's so lightweight, and they're just these beautiful colors. I mean, can you?
I mean, it's powdery. It doesn't get chalky.
No.
On your lips?
No, it turns kind of into a cream once you apply a little pressure onto the lips, and it really feels amazing. Aren't they gorgeous?
And for women out there who, like you said, want the color but don't want to commit to a heavy lipstick, there you go.
Exactly.
What's this?
Okay, now this one I'm really excited about too. This is a new product by Maybelline, and it's part of their tattoo line. Now, it is a brow pen, but I don't know if you can see, there are 4 tiny little points on there. It looks like hair strokes. So if you have like sparse patches in your brows, this is gonna give you 4 little lines, almost like perfect.
Cool.
Yeah, it's almost like the look of a micro-bladed eyebrow. So it gives you that really amazing tiny little ding, 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 4 lines all at once.
What was that again?
Yep, it comes with sound effects. You didn't know.
And Maybelline, so we know it's budget friendly.
Maybelline, so if you have sparse brows, oh my gosh, that one's so cool. And it's a pen, so it lasts really long. Like it stays on for almost 24 hours.
I was gonna say, with powder, you have to set it, you have to worry about it streaking or kind of sweating off.
Yeah, so it's like an ink that stays put, and it has those little lines built in. It's amazing.
What's this?
Okay, now this is a new product by NYX, and we are seeing so much shimmer and glitter on the eye products right now. They're just everywhere.
Which scares me, I'm not gonna lie.
I know, but you just have to, if it scares you, go with a more subtle color. You don't have to go into the bright pink, go into something like this. So it looks like a powder, kind of little chunks of glitter, but when you apply some pressure and some heat to it, it turns into this beautiful cream pigment. Can you see that reflection?
Wow.
Is that gorgeous?
Yes.
So you just dip into it. It's a little messy, so you may want to apply it first before your other products so that you could brush away any fallout and then put on your foundation. But it just gives these amazing, like, reflective sheens.
And you've taught us before, just the peekaboo on your lid wash is all it takes with a product like this.
Doesn't need a ton. So if you're a little bit older or you're a little bit more conservative, just a titch. You don't need a lot, but it's so pretty. And this is a really affordable option.
You're gonna be a walking rainbow as
am.
you head out the studio door today. What's this?
Now this one is a trend, I'm gonna say, because you are gonna see this in a lot of different brands. These are tanner drops.
I have heard about these.
Yes. They're really cool. So there's some amazing brands out there. This one's actually by Ulta, so it's super affordable. And it's just a little dropper, and all you're gonna do is add a few drops into your regular everyday moisturizer. So it's gonna give you that fake glow, but you can customize it to how deep you want the color and put it with your really amazing skincare products that work for your skin.
This is one of those products. I haven't tried it myself. I'm excited to, but as I was hearing about it from girlfriends and picking up the beauty buzz, I thought, why didn't this come into our lives sooner? As we're spraying brown all over our faces and staining our pillowcases, this seems a lot more user-friendly.
It's user-friendly. You can use it at night and wake up with a glow, or use it in the morning, and you can use it, you know, 3 times a week, 5 times a week, however much you want for that glow. But now that we're gonna lose our summer tans, I think we're gonna see this everywhere color, and it's awesome.
Are there different shades or?
Some brands come with medium, dark, whatever. This Ulta brand is just one color, and I really like it. This one's pretty natural, I would say, but there are a few brands out there that have different ones that you can pick and choose.
I'm excited to try. I think my daughter would be excited after hair washing if I tried this product.
Okay, this one's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is by Wet Brush, which we've heard of and loved before, but this is their new Flex Dry brush. So it's for blow drying, and the reason it's so cool is because there's no solid back on it, and so the air can flow completely all the way through, which makes sense, right? So it's gonna speed up the blow dry time because the air can circulate better. It's also really flexible, so it's nice on the scalp. It doesn't pull tangles, so again, little girls like you're talking about, that helps for that too, but it is specific for blow drying, and it's awesome.
Well, and the worst part of getting ready, hands down, is the blow dry.
Exactly.
So speed it up, absolutely. What's this?
Okay, this is a new dry shampoo series by Herbal Essences, and I love it because it smells amazing.
Well, that's what we know Herbal Essence for, right?
Right, so they're the first ones to come out with like really amazing scented dry shampoos. They actually partnered with the Royal Botanical Gardens to come up with all of these scents. I know.
Of course they did.
Amazing, but they smell amazing.
Hold on. What do we got?
If you need something, this one's a cucumber. Cucumber tea. But if you love a smell in your hair, which most women do, this is a great way to go.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've given hairsprays the boot because I didn't like the scent.
Yes.
Yum.
Can you smell that? It's really nice.
What is that? White strawberry and sweet mint?
Yes. It's good.
You getting that, Jeff? You smelling that? Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah,
nice.
he likes
That's
it.
lovely. All right, what's next?
Okay, now this one's a cool one by Kerastase. It is actually a pre-shampoo, and it's a scalp scrub. So when you have the dry, flaky buildup on your scalp, this is really cool. It has the actual little granules in it, just like a face scrub does.
Wow.
But it's for your scalp. So you part off little sections, throw some of that in, massage it around, get that really good scalp buildup, all the buildup off. Then you rinse it out, and then you shampoo.
So after you've built up the product, the Herbal Essence
we're
Sweet
gonna
Strawberry
undo
Mint.
it here.
No, there was a huge, like, 4-page layout in Oprah Magazine last month on scalp health.
Yes.
That we're all kind of loading up in the dry shampoo and our scalps are taking a hit.
Yes, absolutely. So this is going to combat it. It's expensive, but a little goes a long way, and you're not using it every time you shampoo, so it will last you a really good long time.
Is that deodorant?
Yes.
What?
I had to bring these because I'm obsessed with them.
What?
I've talked about deodorant a little bit too much on the show, I've decided. But these are the new secret freshies to go.
Why?
Are they not the cutest?
Well, yeah, but why?
Because, like, if you're like me and you're a sweaty person, you keep deodorant with you everywhere. And if it looks cute and it's small and it's discreet, you can keep it in your desk drawer, your gym bag. I have one in my purse at all times.
Until I think it's one of those lip balms.
I know, you have to be careful. But smell that. It smells amazing.
Okay.
It does.
It does. It could give Herbal Essence a run for its money.
It does.
All right, here we go. A couple more.
Okay, this is Kate Somerville, and this is her new goat milk eye depuffing balm.
And why would I put goat milk on my
Goat
eye?
milk is soothing.
Okay.
It's really cool. It's cooling and it's tingly. So kind of feels like almost like one of those tingly lip balms. You put it on your eye and it helps to depuff because it brings circulation. So it really helps. It's amazing. I love it.
All right, here's the one that we all can't wait to see in action, a magnetic face mask.
Okay, this is the new one by e.l.f. Oh, that stuck to it. And it's a clay mask. It's going to help soothe. It's going to pull out toxins, kind of dirt and gunk from the skin.
Okay.
So you put it on and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you use this cool bad boy right here.
What is going to happen?
So I've got some on my wrist
Hold
right
on,
here.
wait for the camera. Okay, and go.
So when you're going to take this and run it across, you just run it like literally above the surface, and it starts to pull that off, and look at it.
It's like a magic wand.
Is that not the craziest thing? So it pulls it up off of the skin, and it's gonna literally suck all of that stuff out with it.
Gross.
Isn't it cool,
And
though?
cool all at
I
the
know,
same
it's
time.
amazing. So it's really easy to use, and it's like mess-free as well.
All right, how often would we use that?
You can use it a couple times a week.
All right, Megan, this is awesome. 10 brand new beauty finds in time for fall. You're gonna do a complete roundup on your website?
Of course, over at the beautysnoop.com.
There it is. Fun things always happening there as Megan helps us stay on trend and on style for the coming season. So watch for the link to her website and her Instagram on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Thanks again.